My cheap plastic shoes. My all-weather friend, especially in the place known as the wettest region on earth. It has been raining incessantly for the past 4 days, and the skies cleared today. I am taking this opportunity to go to my cousin's home, who I heard is rearing Eri Silkworm. Eri silkworms are found in northeastern India and in some parts of China and Japan. The name Eri is derived from the Assamese word era, which means castor, as the worm primarily feeds on castor plant leaves. They produce a brilliant, textured and non-continuous strands of silk, which keeps you warm in the winters and cool in summer. Amazing, isn't it? These worms are not just reared for their silk, but are also reared for human consumption, as they are a good source of protein. For the uninitiated, yes, you've heard it right, it's for eating. Entomophagy. Entomo means insects and phagy is to eat. This might evoke different reactions in different people, but 15% of the world's population, that is 3,071 ethnic groups from 130 countries, consume 2,100 known species of insects worldwide. Closer home, this is roughly the map of India, where entomophagy is practiced in varying degrees. If the south and central region eats about 1 to 5 species of insects, winged termite being the most favorite, the northeast India takes a cut above and consumes about 250 species. Probably due to the availability of a large variety of insects. Again, even in the northeast India, the number of species consumed varies from state to state and even within the tribes of the same state. If in Meghalaya 16 species are consumed, Arunachal Pradesh take it all the way up to 158. Yet, it is ironic how it remains a taboo food in our society. I have had my own aversion to the idea of eating insects. The aversion was largely due to the false belief that you would be more readily accepted as civilized if you did not eat certain foods. I mean, whom are we kidding? Fermented fish, silkworm pupae, lye obtained from burnt bamboo, even wasp larvae might not have been heard as food ingredient outside of northeastern India. These are the ingredients I have known to be normal, bizarre for you but mainstream for me. You see, like everything else, the narrative of what food is often represented by people who come from a select section of society, mired deeply in the wretched casteism and regionalism. There is a need to democratize the food space and break the monoculture narrative of what food is and what it is not, and celebrate the million brilliant ways of cooking. Well, that was my 2 cents, or rather in this case, 2 rupiah on food prejudice. Coming back to our Eri silkworms, they can be consumed at larval or pupal stage. It is considered that the best time to prepare them is when they are about to turn into pupae, but are still a larva, but are mostly inactive, not moving around. You would have come across these worms in the farmers' market across northeast India in this stage. I am going to show you a very simple way of preparing them. The worm needs to be killed first, so just drop them in plain hot water. These worms are ready to be taken out when they have this stretched out look. Pinch the head and give it a twirl to take out the thick skin and head. The inner part is what is edible. The reason why people prepare it at the inactive larval stage is that they have stopped actively eating, so they have no gut content in them. And of course, they are thick and fatty. I'm going to take these and do a simple stir fry: oil, onions, chilies, and turmeric. Actually, you can prepare them any way you want to because they are pretty versatile. And I think our dish looks ready. So I have in front of me the silkworm pupae, and I honestly this is the first time that I'm going to be trying the pupae, because I was born and raised up in the city, and being in the city, you sort of just go with the flow with the crowd, you know, eating grubs are disgusting and whatnot. So today I'm going to try it for the first time and break the stereotype of what it's like to eat a grub, and I'll give you an honest opinion of what it tastes like. Okay, here goes. It tastes like cheese. It's not bad, it's so good. It's, the appearance wise, it can be very intimidating, but it tastes absolutely delicious. I'm gonna eat one more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. If there are any recipes that you would like to share with me, please feel free to send me an email or leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing things and recipes from the Northeast. Until then, take care, and also if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.